I'm Dr. Robert LaLouche, a board-certified OBGYN physician with over 30 years of clinical experience. And today we're going to talk about cats and pregnancy. You've probably heard there's potential for some concern on what you need to do, especially handling the kitty litter if you have a cat. So overall, the risk is very small. It's a risk of an infection called toxoplasmosis, which is a parasite that has a life cycle that includes cats, and it can be found in cat's feces, and it's especially more prominent in cats who go outside and eat mice and squirrels and small birds. So your risk of getting that infection is much less if you have an indoor cat, but never zero. Thankfully, a toxoplasmosis infection in pregnancy is pretty rare in the United States. In my over 30 years of experience, I've seen it maybe 2 or 3 times. It can have pretty serious consequences to both mom and the baby, can have some long-term effects on the baby. So we do want to take it seriously. So some general rules of thumb are, first, if you're pregnant, try to get someone else to clean the kitty litter. Not a hard ask, right? I mean, who wants to do that? So that's what your partner should be doing. If that's a difficult issue, then it's contact with the feces. You want to really limit that, especially if it's the indoor-outdoor cat. So you really should come up with a different solution to decrease your risk, especially the risk magnifies if your immune system is compromised with some autoimmune disorders, or if you have HIV. If your immune system is down, you're at much higher risk, and then you simply can't do that. So get your partner to do it. Don't watch them. You can inhale the fumes. If you're smelling it, you're getting exposed. So you need to be letting them take care of the cat litter when you're not around. And remember, the risk is higher for the indoor-outdoor cat, or if you have mice in your house. That's kind of how that parasite gets circled around from from ingesting infected meat. So that's part of the issue. Also, if you get in contact a lot with your hands in soil and have poor hygiene, so wash your hands a lot. This is infected soil, or that's where if you happen to contact unusual meats that are undercooked that are in the life cycle. So generally not a big issue in the United States. So overall, it's okay to have a cat, and preferably you can just simply avoid changing the kitty litter, but especially if they're an indoor-outdoor cat, because there's rare but pretty serious consequences from that infection. I hope you found this information helpful. Please leave your comments. Thank you.